Creepy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey guys, welcome back. We are once again playing another game by the Boo Boo Works person. This time, we seem to have a button that we're able to press, and we're in a forest. So I wonder what happens when we press this button. Is it one of those games where you, like, if you press the button, you get to, like, have $1 million, but your best friend dies? Or is it like, oh, you have to kill this dog, and then you'll get candy for the rest of your life? I don't know. Let's see. Doo-doo. Alright. I like the atmosphere. Like I said, I could tell that you're getting better with your work every time I look at your stuff. This is really cool. I like this. I like the clouds. Do not walk off the path. Okay. I can run. I always like running. Running is my favorite activity. Thank you for having smooth movements, because like some of the games that I play, the movements make me feel really motion sick, and yours is just like swaying gently, you know? That was an odd bird. This is really cool. I like the trees. It's like, don't stray them from the path. The only time I just keep walking, I get the good ending. Like, I don't even see a button. I just keep walking. Honestly, that wouldn't be that bad. Reminds me of like when I was little, I played Mario Kart just to go into the beach level, and then I would just chill. My sister and I would just chill. All right, so we've gotten to the button. What happens? Where's the sun? Oh, there it is. Can't tell if it's moving or not. This is really pretty though. All right, let's press the button. I did it. What happened? The button has run into an unexpected error. That's hilarious. What does this mean? Oh. Oh my god. This is really cool. I like that. The moon is like... Is that a light? That's scary. What is this? Oh my god, there's a dude up there. It's an eyeball! I didn't notice right away. Okay. What? So every time we press the button, is it gonna be creepier? This guy's over here. Oh, there's an eyeball. I don't want to press any more buttons, I'm sorry. Here, let me just get this here. Yeah, let's keep going. I don't think we could press those. What the hell? Can't go past this. They're all buttons, though. We can't press any of them. Is there one we can press? Somewhere? What have I done? Oh god. Help. What are you gonna do? This is creepy. Oh, Jesus Christ! I did leave the path. At least it wasn't a red skeleton. Because I pressed the button, huh? What if I didn't press the button? Would I just be stuck there forever? Look, it's an eyeball. They're still watching me. I was walking back. Oh, that was fun. I don't understand it, but you know, whatever. Thanks for watching me. I hope that was fun. Bye. Oh.